Hey guys, here's a video I'm going to show you that a problem with my car. He's making a noise, the brakes. I was going to show you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. Cranker on. Okay. Let me buckle up and then we can get going. Kind of sick today. Oh, and I also wanted to show you something too. I just wanted to ask you. My car works weird, like it jumps back and forth once whenever I switch from park into reverse. Same thing with drive. If I go to this, it doesn't do anything. It's normal. Same thing with neutral. So I was just asking if you knew what caused that. But let's go in reverse and let me show you those brakes. Drive. Alright, here we go. So I'm at a stop. Now what? Here, listen to this. This is me lifting up on the brake. So I lift up on it, it goes away. Let's say I'm going a certain speed, hit the brakes, nothing. It only happens when I'm at a stop, which is kind of weird. So I turn the corner. Now I can neutralize the sound by hitting the brakes really hard, like watch. See? It's only when I lift it up slowly. And I was wondering what caused that. If you have any suggestions on what it could possibly be, please reply. I have taken the car to a mechanic and they cannot figure out what it is. They've checked the suspension, they've checked the brakes, calipers, brake pads, rotors. It's all good. So if you have any suggestions on what it could possibly be, let me know, and I'll get back to you. Thanks, bye.